In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape agencies from Clutch using an AI scraping agent. And to do so, I will be using Datablist.com. So to begin, I'm going to go on Clutch. I have here already an agency search. So I'm now copying the search URL from the top UX agencies in Germany. And then I go to Datablist and I click here on Open Datablist, which takes me into my collection. Once I'm here in my collection, I can click here on See All Sources, scroll to the AI Agency Scraper, and then select here the AI Agency Scraper, put here my new URL in, and then I can here I configure the maximum pages. Maybe I want 10, but you could do also 100, even though I think Germany doesn't have 100. Let's see. So Germany has only 13, so I could go back and do 13, but let's just do 10 to keep it simple. And what this AI scraping template gives me is the company name, the primary service, the rating of the agency, the minimum project size, all services that they provide, the employee count, the verification status, on their average hourly rate, number of reviews, tagline, location, Clutch profile URL. So using this Clutch profile URL or using the company name, I could then get also their company website, their LinkedIn company page URL, the founder's information, and so on. So, but for now, I'm going just to click here on continue. So these advanced settings, you can just leave them open because they are already pre-configured, so you don't need to do anything. It's just you click here on continue, and then Datablist will create all these outputs automatically. So you click here on run import now, and then the task is created. So this will take now about 5 to 10 minutes to scrape all these agencies. I will click on pause, and once it's finished, I will be back. Alright guys, as you can see here, the agent just finished running, and here it scraped me 508 agencies from Clutch. And when I click here on Enrich and go to async runs, I can see how much credits it consumed and how much time it took to complete the task. So here it took 12 minutes and 31 seconds, and it consumed roughly 13,000 credits, which is about $13. Or if you sign up for the growth plan, you get all these credits included. So yeah, $13 to get 500 agency names, which is pretty good if you ask me. So you can now go here and click on enrich, and then use Datablist enrichment to get more data on those agencies. For example, you could here use the find company domains from company names enrichment, waterfall phone finder, impression scraper, and LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn company page scraper to get more data. So I will link you in the video description a video how you can find the company domain from a company name, and then gets also the founder of this agency, so you can contact them to do outreach for clients, for sales or partnerships or whatsoever. So all right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.